let me tell you about someone I deeply admire, a true beacon of compassion and selflessness. The person I want to describe to you is my dear friend, Sarah. Sarah is an exceptional individual, always radiating warmth and kindness wherever she goes. She possesses an innate ability to empathize with others, making everyone feel valued and understood. Her humility and genuine concern for people around her make her an extraordinary human being. What sets Sarah apart is her unwavering dedication to helping others. She goes above and beyond to lend a helping hand whenever she can. Whether it's volunteering at shelters, tutoring struggling students, or simply being a listening ear to those in need, Sarah is always there. Her help is truly transformative and beneficial to those who receive it. By offering support, she encourages others to believe in themselves, igniting a positive ripple effect within the community. Through her actions, she inspires people to embrace compassion and contribute to a more caring society. But why does Sarah help others so passionately? The answer lies in her belief in the power of kindness. Sarah understands that small acts of compassion can make a big difference in someone's life. She experienced the joy of receiving help during challenging times, which sparked her desire to pay it forward and create a world where people uplift one another. In conclusion, Sarah is a remarkable individual who selflessly dedicates herself to helping others. Her empathy, generosity, and belief in the strength of kindness make her an invaluable asset to the community. Let us all be inspired by her example and strive to be more like Sarah, creating a world where helping others is not just an act, but a way of life. Thank you.